Welcome again to the Trade Focus YouTube channel, guys. In this video, let's have a look at the pound dollar market over here and find out what will happen to the pound market for the next couple of hours, like within 24 hours. Let's find out what are the best entry point and reversing points for scalping and as well for the short-term day trading trade setups, right? So before we continue the today analyze, if you can remember my previous this morning video that I talked about gold chart over here, and market is currently going up towards to our reversing points exactly as we predicted, right? While that's happening, let's have a look at the pound market over here. And at first, let's have a look at the large scale, this whole downtrend from here to here. Strong sellers performing up for the past few days from here to here. And after that, buyers also come just a little bit. But keep remember that is still sellers are controlling the market, which means sellers are strong than these buyers, but sellers are getting weak right now. So that means we could be able to see some kind of more market up and down momentums in the same area, right? So this means buyers and sellers are struggling around here to make a new uptrend of buyers. Buyers are trying to control of the market, but they were unable to yet to do that. They are going to do that. So because of that, we could be able to see some kind of a market up and down momentum couple of days, like 2-3 days. So within that momentums, we can make some short-term scalpings and as well day trading, like we can hold our trades up to like 4 hours, 5 hours, it's like that trends. So we're looking at the last uptrend over here. You can see a strong buyers are taking the control of the market in this last uptrend. But keep remember that this market, I feel that this uptrend will end it very soon. Like market will continue up to around this area over here, right? Just this area. This is my zone. This is my reversing zone, and then market will reverse to the downside. That means buyers will getting weaker once a market reach to this area or touch this line area, because this area in the previous data shows that kind of a market high volume and volatility area. We have talked about another video in the previous analysis. You can watch that video. I'll put the link in the description. So just like that, this area over here, kind of a high volatility, high volume area. I'm saying that market will reverse from here. It's not because of a support or resistance line. Yeah, it looks like a support and resistance lines. You can see market just reversed around here, but the main reason to reverse around market just around here, not about support and resistance lines. Most of people think that market always reverse from the areas that has strong support or resistance lines, but it doesn't happen every time. But we have to go more than that. So according to my opinion, in this area, we have some strong buyers and sellers, both activity, right? Not just only buyers, not just only sellers, both buyers and sellers activity, highly volatile activity over here we can see. So that's why I'm telling that once market touched around this area, probably we could be able to see like sideways market momentum, straight touched and down towards the downside. We might be able to see some kind of market up and down momentums probably, or market just could straight reverse to the downside as soon as immediately market touched this area. So these two things could happen in this down reversing points. And as well, once market creates this down momentum, another up wave we could be able to see around this area over here, right? This is our up reverse point. This is our down reverse point. So these are the main up and down reverse point for me currently for a day trading for within 24 hours, right? So let's see what's going to happen. I'll update with another video. Stay tuned, guys.